Hey guys, Dan and Sally here. We were out in Monterey, California for Sony Condo Trip 2.0, and we decided we just really want to talk lenses with you guys.
Yeah, we got a 35mm, 50mm, and an 85mm. Gonna go over our best lenses for portraits, why you should choose that focal length, and some of the advantages to each one of those. I've got some gear links below if you want to check out what we were shooting with. And please, while you're watching this, like and subscribe. We really appreciate your support. Comment below, let us know what your favorite focal length is, your favorite portrait lens, and let's check out some of these images.
So let's start with the 35mm. I typically shoot portraits, and when I shoot portraits, I'm shooting fashion photography, and I love this focal length just because I can get my subject in full from basically head to toe without worrying about cutting off limbs or cutting out the shoes. And I like to focus on pretty much everything that they're wearing or their hair, and I love to capture the details. Now, I do love my 24-70, but with the 35mm, I can go down to an f-stop of 1.4 and kind of get that shallow depth of field. Keep in mind though that when you're using a wider lens like a 35mm, you want to stay at a wider aperture because of the shallow depth of field. So I love shooting with my f1.4 35mm. I always like to stand reasonably close to my models, as you can obviously see here, just so I can communicate with her, so I can kind of tell her what I want to do, how to pose, and how to move without kind of shouting at her that I typically have to do with an 85mm if I'm trying to get in a full body shot.
All right, let's talk 50mm lens, because it might not seem like a big step up from a 35, but it can be a huge difference. Sure, you can just crop into a 35 and make it look like a 50, but one of the things that I love about a 50mm lens is that it's just so flexible. Just about anything you want to shoot, you can pull it off with this lens. If I'm in a portrait session, I want to get a little bit closer to my subject, 50mm is still going to give me enough room to not be uncomfortably close, but still pick out those details. And especially if you're using a high resolution camera, if you want to get even closer, you can crop those in. And if you want to get a full body shot, almost any indoor space is going to give you enough room to be able to stand back a little bit with that 50mm lens. You're not going to be shouting at your client that's 40 feet away from you like you would with an 85 or a 200 or something like that. So it's a really good flexible focal length for just about anything you want to shoot. Another thing that's awesome is that it's one of the cheapest lenses you can get for most systems. Sure, you can spend a lot more on a 50mm lens if you want to, but pretty much every system is going to have a good one for like 400 bucks, even for full frame cameras. And so there's really no better way to go. If you're looking at upgrading from your zoom lens, you're looking at your first prime lens, this is really a great way to go. You get a super wide aperture lens, highly recommend it. Great quality. It's one of the lenses that I think should be in everyone's bag, one of the first ones that you should buy. All right, I got to talk about Artlist. I mean, they're sponsoring this video, but I've been using these guys for months, and it is all about music. I mean, you know, music is going to make or break your videos. All that B-roll music that we use, the music that we use for all of our wedding videos and our corporate stuff, all of that comes from Artlist. These guys are amazing. Literally any kind of project you're looking for, these guys have music for it. You get unlimited downloads with them. It's a yearly subscription, which is absolutely awesome. If you're like me and you like to try like 2 or 3 songs in each video, make sure you get a good vibe for it in your shot. You can do that with this. Download all the music you want to it. If you click the links below, you actually get 2 months free. So 14 months with a subscription. And if you just want to try it out, you can get a license file to be able to download, try it in your video. And then if you like it and you want to keep that song, you can go ahead and get the subscription for it. So no problem, give them a call. All of us need music. So I really appreciate them sponsoring this video. These guys are awesome.
Now, I do have to say, we love shooting 85mm focal length, just because with portraits, you want to really capture the detail of your subject and be able to move in really close, where I can almost see the contouring from her makeup or the details in her eyes, her hair, and how it's styled.
Yeah, one thing that you'll notice is that, you know, your eyes are like a 35mm lens. So as soon as you put that camera with the 85mm lens up to your eye, it's like looking through a magnifying glass. And so you can still be reasonably close to your subject, but you're seeing so much more details. It makes it so much better to communicate things like smiling with your eyes, how their lips are, how their face is, or hair.
Yes.
You can see that kind of stuff through the camera. And then keep in mind that with these longer focal lengths, you're going to be dealing with a narrow field of view. So if you have a lot of distracting elements in your background, shooting with an 85 from a little bit further away is going to help minimize that. So if you're ever in a location you don't want a lot of that environment in there, go with that 85mm lens. And then on the flip side, if you're like in the Grand Canyon or something and you want to show all that, go for a wider angle lens. That's really what you're going to want to do that with.
Hey guys, we really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button down below, as well as, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Go follow us on Instagram at Learning Cameras, at Mrs. Sally Watson, and comment down below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys. We've got a bunch of videos coming up soon. Please subscribe, and we have so much cool stuff to share with you soon.